Hey, what's going on, gents? Welcome to the Fit Man Style channel. My name is Ian. So here's the deal. I am very familiar with subscription box services, as I assume a lot of you guys are, if not all of you. If you're in the menswear space, you must have come across one or two of these services. There's a subscription box service for everything under the sun. The one that I was a part of was called Sprezza Box. I don't know if they're still around, but that was a few years back. And you know how these things work. You know, some stylist puts together some stuff. In my case, it was accessories. You pay a fee every month and they send you a box every month. Did it for a while, got a few basic stuff. It was cool, but then I stopped. Felt some type of way about subscription box services, and I may have expressed a few of my opinions on this channel about them, which weren't too favorable. Well, that was very selfish of me. You know, this channel is not just for me, it's for you guys. It's for everybody in the Fit Man community. And there may be guys in this community that love subscription box services, or at the very least, may be interested in a subscription box service, and you would like for me to review it on this channel. So for that reason alone, I will soften my stance on them, do a review on a few of these boxes, and let you guys decide if you want to do it or not. Now, in the spirit of that, this is what this video is about. I decided to review a subscription box service that a friend of mine is a part of. She got a box recently, and she was like, hey, why don't you try Stitch Fix and see if they have some cool stuff for fit men out there. Like, why not? You know, the cost of entry was very low, which I will talk about in this video. And I ordered my box on Wednesday. Today is Monday, and the box just came in. So that was a pretty fast turnaround. I'm impressed with that. So what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna talk about Stitch Fix, how it works, because it works a little bit different from previous subscription box services that I've done in the past. And I'm gonna go through the stuff, see how they fit me, if they fit me well or not, and then I'll go from there. So let's first talk about the company, and then we're gonna open this up. Doing my research on Stitch Fix, I found that their humble beginnings was not too far away from where I am. It started out in Cambridge, Massachusetts, which is about a good hour away from where I live. It was started by a woman named Katrina while she was going to Harvard. She started this company in 2011. It first started as a curated clothing company for women, but it has since expanded to include men, plus size women, and kids. So here's how you get started. First, you enter very basic information about yourself. Your height, your weight, then you enter your measurements, what's your inseam, what's your blazer size, and then from the pictures you choose which body type you are. After that, you enter what type of fit you are, with shirts, with pants, with shorts, and then right after that you look at the fit challenges, and this is where you can choose which option best suits you. Do you have issues with shirt collars, with pants length, with shirt sleeves? And then after that, how often do you wear certain clothes? You know, what brands do you typically shop from? What colors and patterns you like, what you don't like, what type of shoes you like, what don't you like, and just overall what type of clothes you don't like. And then from the collage of pictures there, you can choose which picture of style that you gravitate to. Now, you do all this to give the Stitch Fix stylist an idea of how to curate the box for you. You also have the option of entering your social media handle so they can have more of a visual idea of how they can put this box for you. So after going through that getting to know you section on the website, you pay a $20 fee. I call that the entry fee. It's a styling fee that will go towards the stylist who will curate a box for you and then send it to you. Once you get the box, you have 3 days from once you received it to try on the different stuff that they sent you. You can either send it all back if you don't like it, you can keep all of it, or you can keep some stuff and send some stuff back. What you do decide to keep, whether it's everything or a couple things, you only pay for what you keep. And then that $20 that you paid initially, it goes towards the final cost of what you choose to keep. So it's truly a curated, individual-centric subscription box service for anyone. All right, guys, so let's open this up and see what they sent me. So this were the things that I chose on the website that I like. Got some flannel, jeans, sweaters, trucker boots. So cool. All right. Let's see what they got me. This is the list of things that they sent me. I don't know if you guys can see all that, but that's what it is. Total order for what I got is $244.75. All right. So let's see what this is. This feels like shoes, and it is. Wow, look at this. It's a nice boot here from, it's a Rye by Hawker. It's a trucker boot. Okay. Really nice. Of course, there's two of them in here. Nice gray boot. I don't have anything gray, so it's nice. Looks like a leather heel. Okay, cool, cool. Put that aside. Let's see what they sent me here. Oh, this is the return package, I guess. If I don't like anything, I can send it back, and I only pay for what I keep. So that's cool. So that's the return package. And this is the clothing they sent me. So got a nice flannel shirt here from Jack's. Jack, that's how you pronounce it? Jack's, Jachs. Extra large gray flannel shirt. I don't have anything flannel for this fall winter season, so we'll try that out. Wow, I like this. I like this sweater. It's from Fairlane and Sons. Extra large, really thick sweater. Okay, really nice. That to the side. And what is this? This is a long sleeve Henley. So the Henley style. I did a video on Henleys and how Henleys are a good fit for the fit man. I'm gonna put that up so you guys can check that out. This is from Eventide, extra large. And last but not least, jeans from Vigos. You guys can see that, Vigos Authentic Stretch. Yeah, it does. It does have some stretch to it. Okay, all right. This is a 36 waist, which is my waist now, and a 30 length. All right, so that is it. Box is empty. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna style these stuff that I have here, and then I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna keep anything or if I'm gonna send everything back. All right, so here's the list of things they sent me and the color, the size, and the prices. So Vigos, that's the jeans. Rye, that's the trucker boots. Jack, that's the flannel shirt. Eventide, that's the Henley. Fairlane and Sons, that's the V-neck shirt. Of course, these are the colors of them, the size of them, and the prices. So let's take a look at the prices. So the jeans, you're looking at $98. Trucker boots, you're looking at $89. The Jack's flannel shirt, you're looking at $64. The Henley, $48. And the V-neck, $54. Total, $353. This is the discount I got for my friend. So that brought it down to that. That is my entry point of $20. That's what I had to pay. And I believe that goes towards the total of the cost. And that's the total, $244.75. That's if I do decide to keep everything. All right, so first off, we're taking a look at the jeans. I really like the jeans. They fit very well. They do stretch a bit. It reminds me of my Gap jeans, the ones that I reviewed on this channel a few months back. Put a link up so you guys can check that out. It has the same feel to it. One thing I didn't notice about these jeans was the waist. The waist seems a little big for me, which is a 36 waist. That kind of gives me hope that I am reverting back to a 34 waist. I haven't been a 34 waist in a long time, so I'm happy about that. 30 length, which is standard in a lot of jeans. And as you can see, I cuff my pants. I don't like to cuff my jeans, so if I do decide to keep these jeans, I'm gonna have to take them to the tailor to get them hemmed. This is again from a company called Vigos, never heard of them before, and it is a straight pair of jeans. Next, we're taking a look at the Chukka boots. Nice color, gray. When I was walking around the house with these on, it felt very hard on my foot. The insoles is almost non-existent. The cushion on the inside is really little. So if I am gonna keep this, I'm gonna have to put some insoles in there to make it more comfortable. It is true to size, so this wasn't really any like break-in period. And yeah, it's a Chukka boot. Chukka boots aren't really my go-to when it comes to style of boots, but for those of you who do like Chukka boots, you know, Stitch Fix does have them. Next is this beautiful beige sweater. I really like this. It feels very soft. It fits me well. I don't have anything beige, and actually just recently I started taking out my fall winter stuff because it's starting to get really cold up here in New England, and I realized that I need to stack up on my sweater. So this came in clutch. So I don't know, I'm leaning really heavily on this. I like how it looks. I like how it fits. I like it. Next is the Henley. I like Henleys. I mean, I dedicated a whole video to it. I'm just not sure about this one. What do you guys think? It looks a little big on me. I mean, this brand is an extra large, so I don't know if extra large in this brand runs a little too big, but it does feel big on me. It feels a little bit loose. The sleeves look a little too long. So I'm not sure, and I'm not too big on the color as well. So I'm not sure on this particular Henley. And lastly, we have the flannel. I like the flannel, it fits me well. It comes in an extra large, and again, came in clutch this time of the year. You need to wear your flannels to keep you warm. I like this, I like how the sleeves just falls nicely on my wrist. It's not too tight, it's not too loose either. So this one, I'm liking this one. I'm liking this one. I can see myself wearing this with a pair of jeans and some Chelsea boots to go out with some friends. It's a very like casual type of feel to it. Also, I can see myself wearing this to work. My work has a very casual, laid back vibe. This is a nice thing that I can wear to work as well. And now, the moment of truth, the process of elimination or addition. Am I gonna give it all back or keep it all? Well, I'm gonna send some stuff back and I'm gonna keep a couple things. So starting with the stuff I'm gonna send back. Definitely sending back the Chukka boots. I mean, just didn't feel comfortable. If I'm gonna be in shoes all day, I want them to feel comfortable. And Chukka boots aren't necessarily my style, and that's just speaking from my personal preference. It may be your thing, but I would wear Chelsea boots over Chukka boots any day of the week. I feel like Chukka boots are an acquired taste. Sending the jeans back, the jeans did feel a little loose on the waist, being a 36 waist. And the length, of course, being 30. Of course, you can easily hem that and hem it to the length that you want, but jeans cost 98 bucks. Not really trying to spend $98 right now on a pair of jeans. And I'm gonna send back the Henley. I don't know what you guys saw, but on me, it felt a little loose. And I wasn't too fond of that color as well. So those are the three things that I'm gonna send back: the shoes, the jeans, and the Henley. So then that leaves me with the flannel shirt and the sweater. Definitely keeping the sweater. I fell in love with it the first time I wore it. The flannel, do I have anything flannel? I don't think so. So you know what? I'm gonna just keep the flannel. Fits me well. So those are the two things out of the 5 things that they sent me that I'm gonna keep. And from the list, it's gonna cost me, okay, $64 for the flannel, and then $54 for the sweater. So that's a total of $180. $118, and I believe my styling fee of $20 goes towards that, so that drops it down to $98. So what do you guys think? $98 for a flannel shirt and a v-neck sweater in beige. Do you think that was a good deal? Let me know down in the comments. So what are my thoughts about Stitch Fix? Would I recommend it? I would say, yeah, I like the concept of it. The cost of entry is very low, 20 bucks. The concept of it, of them sending you stuff and you try it on and you get to, and you only pay for what you keep. So out of the 5 stuff, if you only keep 1, you only pay for that 1 thing and you send the 4 things back. If you want to keep all of it, fine, you pay for everything. If you don't like any of the things, you can send it all back and it only costs you 20 bucks to try it out. So I think I'm gonna try this again to try my luck to see, maybe they'll send me some better shoes and some better stuff to wear. But definitely I will be trying Stitch Fix again. I recommend it. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it. Let me know down in the comments what you thought. Have you tried Stitch Fix before? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Have you tried other clothing subscription box services? I would love to hear that down in the comments, because having tried this now, I am willing to try other brands as well that do this whole clothing subscription box service. So I like Stitch Fix. I know there's Trunk Club, there's other stuff out there. So let me know which one you want me to review and try out. Which ones have you tried out in the past, and how do you feel about this whole concept of clothing subscription box services? I'll be back next week, same time, same place, and as always, stay fly, stay fit.